Okay, so babe, I'll call you later on this after work, but I was so excited. Literally, when you sent me this text, I was watching, well, it looks like it won't let me reverse the video, so I'll do my best here, but check this out. Okay, this is Now You Know. Tesla Time News. Is 7,000 views. 2, 1. Ah! Oh my god, I'm gonna call her.
Welcome back, and I was so thrilled that I'm on the Tesla Supercharger review. Was on Tesla Time News on the Tesla Getting Quieter episode. It was a thrill. It was, well, 29 seconds into the track if you're interested in finding out on their page. If you want to know how I did this, you can do it too. You take a review and then you upload your video to the Supercharger review on Now You Know website. So we're going to give you a preview of it so you can watch it. Bridge to get over to Kent Island, and then across Chesapeake Bay Bridge to back to the mainland towards Annapolis. So we're headed home towards that way, but this is pretty nice that you can charge up on the island if you're coming to visit Kent Island, which is really cool. So you can watch that review and some of my other reviews, like this one I did when we went to Niagara Falls for my Niagara Falls video. We had a lot of fun making this one, and you can get in a lot of interesting places that you can include in your videos to upload for their Supercharger reviews, so maybe you will be on Now You Know too. So here's a little preview of what we did for this one. This is one that we did in Erie, PA, and I hope you enjoy it. Hi, Zach and Jesse. So I didn't know when I was doing my Supercharger review that our Tesla Supercharger Fox here was trying to get in. He's such a video ham.
I'm the man behind the Fox.
This is the man behind the Fox. So he likes to be in the Tesla all the time. So this is our Tesla Supercharger Fox.
What's the name of your channel? You should say
the name of the channel is Cynthia Starr on YouTube, and enjoy life, find it beautiful, discover and enjoy life. But my super channel is Cynthia Starr, and we do a lot of Tesla road trips, and I love Now You Know.
And we should close with, and now you know.
Oh, and now you know. So if you gotta get a Supercharger Fox, he's so cute. Thanks guys, bye. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell so you'll be notified when my video is up next, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.